Do you want to, dude?
No,
They called him
Or
Taya.
are you just like a real noob?
Does that
like
mean
Axel?
TK?
Yeah.
Oh, you are a real noob. I am so sorry. Lo Inu.
Nintendo Switch game.
I made the monkey noise. He just says, "Lo Inu." He just says my name and screams.
I'm recording this, by the way, so you don't have to repeat it.
Tony, ma, motherfucker, Tony, ma. Fuck your mother, bitch. Hey, bitch.
He's just screaming.
What's up, pussy ass?
Hector's mic is dancing. JK, unmute yourself so we can hear it through your TV.
Go fight, dude. You're just mad because I was screaming like shit.
It's calling us mad.
Everyone just go fight him, dude. Are you about to? Are you about to? LOL, Tayak. Take. Loinu, I assume you have a mental retardation issue, but some homosexual issue.
What did he say? I think he's trying to call me retarded.
And LOL, Tayak, I think you're at this game. I can't even see that spray, dude. I can't even see that spray. So I'll remember, Lo Inu is the guy with the mental retardation, and LOL Take
He's gonna remember it.
is the guy with the pussy ass DJ Yonder skin, cocksucker, and Feral Cherio is just a random ass kill guy.
Wait, you're making fun of him.
Huh?
Saying that I'm retarded.
LOL Take
JK is like has
I
the
bet your
shitty
dick is
DJ
like
Yonder
a
skin
fucking,
and said Feral Cheryl is a chill guy, but Feral is like going. Tony, ma. Oh, Tony, ma. This is goes silent when I start like impersonating him.
Johnny man.
I keep saying that, he doesn't say anything. Fucking mother, motherfucker. Tony, ma. Okay.
I hear him through so much mic.
That's me.
I hear him poking out.
That's me. That's me impersonating him.
Go crazy.
I just going, night, ma. Jay, why are you still in this house?
Yeah, JK hasn't moved at all, by the way.
He's just been in this house for like 10 minutes. He's still in the game. He's not even saying anything anymore. He's just in the game.
Hoping to get a victory royale.
He's playing Funny Me and Orgasm.
Yeah, but it took him like 10 minutes to find it. Farrell, you play like the go crazy thing, and this is how long it took him to find it.
He finally lived.
That means you
Why
can
did it
save.
take him so long to find it?
You can save the video.
Alright, we can leave now.